Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to send your Snapchat location to any user and troubleshoot any issues. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that Snapchat has permission to use your location. To do this, go to the Snapchat app settings, go into your device's settings and go down until you find Snapchat. Go to location and make sure to allow access to Snapchat, preferably allow only when using the app. Once you have sorted out the permissions, go back to Snapchat. Navigate to the chat you want to send your location to, tap the plus button and you will be prompted to share your current location or a live location. Choose the option you want and click the little send button. That's it, you have successfully shared your location. If you want to see your location on a map, you can find it here. Don't forget to give this video a like if it was helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for even more helpful tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.